Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send a voice message on Facebook Dating. It's a super easy way to make your chats more personal. So let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're in a region where Facebook Dating is available, like the US, Canada, or other supported countries. You can check the full list at facebook.com. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account page. Once there, scroll down and tap See More. Look for the Dating option or Matches button. If you don't see it, double-check that your account meets the requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old and have a Facebook account in good standing. Tap the Matches button to view all the people you've matched with. Pick the person you want to send a voice message to and tap their profile to open the chat. In the chat box, you'll see a mic icon next to the text input. Press and hold the mic to start recording your voice message. Speak clearly, share something fun or friendly, then release the mic when you're done. Hit send to share it with your match. Unique tip: record a short 10 to 15 second message with a warm, upbeat tone. It grabs attention and makes your match feel more connected. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button.